Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the camera. Short press the power button to shut down the camera or enter sleep mode. Short press the function button to take a photo. Press and hold the function button for 2 seconds to start recording. Short press the function button to stop recording. Open the Settings menu. Open the Measurement Parameters menu. Set the acoustic heat map color. Available options include rainbow, iron red, and grayscale. The focus function can be enabled. You can also double-tap the screen to quickly show or hide the focus frame. Use pinch gestures to adjust the size of the focus frame. The frequency range can be set manually or automatically. Adjust the frequency range according to the actual operating environment. The frequency range panel can be shown or hidden. Open the Mode menu to select an operating mode. Select Gas Mode Settings. The gas type can be changed. The leakage unit can be changed. The currency can be changed. The pressure unit can be changed. Adjust the pressure value according to actual conditions. Select the orifice type according to actual conditions. Other units and values can also be changed. Tap the screen to set the distance to the measurement point. Open Settings to enable or disable the Wi-Fi connection. When using the app, we recommend connecting the camera to your phone's hotspot. Alternatively, you can connect both your phone and the camera to the same Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi hotspot can be enabled or disabled. The hotspot name and password can be changed. Connect via Bluetooth for ultrasonic listening. Open the Settings menu to change the language, time, and region. Multiple languages are available. The time zone can be configured. The date can be set manually. The time can be set manually. The date format can be changed. The time can be calibrated automatically when connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Settings menu to adjust the screen brightness. The automatic sleep time can be changed. In Device Info, you can view the camera name, model, serial number, firmware version, system version, and other information. In a quiet environment, with the microphone array unobstructed, the camera can automatically test the microphone array. Use the Help menu to quickly learn how to operate the camera. Swipe down from the top of the home screen to access quick controls. The screen brightness and volume can be adjusted. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the hotspot, and the LED light can be turned on or off. View the available storage space. Open the gallery to view captured photos or videos. Captured content is saved to the pinned album by default. Tap the plus icon at the upper right to create a new album. Albums can be deleted. Album names can be changed. The pinned album can be changed. Album content can be viewed by category. Captured photos or videos can be viewed. Photos or videos can be annotated. Add text annotation. Add tag. Add voice annotation. Unwanted photos or videos can also be deleted. Album content can be deleted in batches or moved to another album. The firmware and system can be upgraded either online or offline. An online upgrade requires a Wi-Fi connection. For an offline upgrade, first import the upgrade package into the device's Update folder, and then start the upgrade. Actual sound source does not change position when viewed from different angles. Reflected sound source image shifts or disappears when the viewing angle changes. Enable the focus function to suppress ambient noise. You can also adjust the frequency range to eliminate interference from other frequency bands.